Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and surprisingly simple chocolate mousse at home with rice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of cooked white rice, preferably day-old, and 1.5 cups of good quality dark chocolate, either chopped or in chips. Also, have 1 cup of hot water or your favorite plant-based milk ready, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These simple components are the foundation for a wonderfully creamy dessert. Now let's get cooking. Start by melting your dark chocolate. You can do this easily in a microwave, heating it in 30-second intervals and stirring until smooth, or use a double boiler. Once melted, transfer it to a high-speed blender. Add your 1 cup of cooked rice, the 1 cup of hot water or milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything for about 2 to 3 minutes, pausing to scrape down the sides until you achieve a perfectly smooth, velvety consistency. After blending, it's time for the mousse to transform. Carefully pour your smooth chocolate rice mixture into individual dessert cups or a small baking dish. Now, the most important step, chilling. Place your mousse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This crucial time allows the mousse to firm up and develop its characteristic rich, thick, and airy texture. For the best results, ensure it's completely set before moving on to serving. Your delicious homemade rice mousse is now ready to enjoy. For an elegant touch, dust the top with a little cocoa powder just before serving. You can also garnish it with fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or some delicate chocolate shavings. Feel free to get creative with flavor twists. A pinch of cinnamon, a bit of orange zest, or even a tiny amount of coffee powder can add wonderful depth. Store any remaining mousse covered in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.